Hey guys, this is Peter from Skyfol. Today I would like to show you two new products. It's the further developed version of our Nano 2.0. So this is the Nano 2.5 in the gloss version. And we also had Nano Satin since 2008. We've upgraded that product as well to the Nano Satin ST. So what happened with both versions? They are both from our master factory from South Korea. And what we actually did is we increased the flexibility of the film and also the tack of the adhesive. So this is going to be the favorite film of all those installers who are looking for a fast finish and a very efficient job. So you can stretch it very easy, and when you stick it down, it's gonna tack and hold. Also the wrapping over the edges, it's like super fast right after installation. You don't need to wait so long. So yeah, this is what we've been working on last year, and I hope everybody's gonna love it who are looking for an efficient way of work. Thank you for watching.